In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of copying and sharing your ThreadsUp profile link. Whether you're looking to share it with friends or on various social media platforms, this tutorial will guide you through the simple steps to do so. Let's get started. Begin by opening the ThreadsUp app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once the app is open, locate the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's represented by a person icon. Tap on this icon to access your profile. Inside your profile, you'll notice an option labeled Share Profile. Tap on this option to proceed to the next step. Now, you have two options for sharing your profile link. Tap on the Copy Link option to copy your profile link to your device's clipboard. You can then paste it wherever you like, such as in a message, an email, or on social media. If you want to share your profile link directly on social media platforms like WhatsApp or Instagram, select the platform of your choice from the available options. After selecting your preferred sharing option, you can share your profile link with anyone you like. Paste it into a message or post it on your chosen social media platform, and others will be able to access your ThreadsUp profile by clicking on the link. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly copy and share your ThreadsUp profile link. Whether you want to share it with friends or showcase it on social media, ThreadsUp makes it quick and easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos like this.